Ready to revolutionize your listening experience in 2025? Open Earbuds are changing the game, blending incredible audio with complete environmental awareness like never before. This year's top models boast features so advanced they feel futuristic, like AI language translation, making these wearables truly transformative. Discover the best open earbuds available and check the description right now for direct purchase links. Number 1. Bose Ultra Open Earbuds deliver unmatched premium sound in an open-ear design, rivaling traditional in-ear options with surprisingly rich spatial audio. Their unparalleled comfort allows for hours of immersive listening, making them a top pick for audiophiles seeking an open-ear solution. Number 2. Anker Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds are a game-changer for active users, featuring an exceptional IP rating for ultimate dust and water resistance. What truly stunned us was their real-time AI language translation, transforming everyday interactions into global conversations, a dramatic leap in earbud functionality. Number 3. Shokz OpenDots One offer a fantastic balance of performance and value, providing surprisingly crisp sound comparable to more expensive rivals. Their secure, comfortable clip-on fit is ideal for workouts, making them perfect if you need robust fitness features without breaking the bank. Number 4. Nothing Ear Open earbuds impress with their distinctive design and reliable audio, demonstrating how unique style meets practical daily use in the open-ear segment. Number 5. Sony Linkbuds Open maintains Sony's innovative spirit, delivering a comfortable and consistent open-ear experience, solidifying their place as a noteworthy contender. These top open earbuds for 2025 prove you can have amazing sound and stay fully connected to your world. Hit like and subscribe for more essential tech reviews.